My goodness. It is very wet. It rained yesterday. It snowed the day before that. Snowed the day before that. Snowed the day before that. Now it's snowing again. After it rained. It's hard to even get out and get any kind of walk in. Been stuck in the house. It's just nasty outside. Just absolutely nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. See, there's a house that gentleman's working on. I've been watching that sliding glass door. It looks like it's an okay sliding glass door. I need to go write a note, but when it's snowing so hard and raining so hard, my note will just get ruined. It's just not worth it.